afternoon. I'm Akshaya from BA Journalism to present today's news bulletin. A mysterious disease is spreading across Congo. Details given by World Health Organization. A warm welcome was given to Defense Minister Rajnath Singh by the Russian government. Human washing machine was invented by Japan. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin says that any scheme that affects the Tamil Nadu will not be implemented. Former Judge Rohinton Feli Nariman criticizes the 10% reservation. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to attend the 100th anniversary of Vaikam. Actor Allu Arjun's Pushpa 2 beats the history of the collection done by films going over 500 crores. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher congratulates the crew of May Argan, saying that movie made him emotional. Ajit Pawar's 1,000 crore is expected to be returned to him as per information given by the Income Tax Department. The documents of employees joining in government jobs should be verified within the duration of 6 months. Instruction was given to all states police stations by the Supreme Court. Delhi police fire tear gas shells at the farmers who tried to march towards Delhi and protest. That's all for today's news. For more updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.